how to use practice first when you are not assigned something, but you're just using it to improve on your practicing. Well, instead of clicking into your classroom and finding your assignment, anytime you practice, you can use practice first by going to software and going into practice first. Once you arrive here, you have a lot of options. So you'll want to go over on the side where you have your content options, and you may just need to reset it and start from the beginning. You can go by series, all for strings being very beginning strings, standard of excellence being for my beginning band and intermediate band students, and a lot of other things if you're just looking for a challenge or if you're looking to back it up to the basics. I highly recommend everyone starts warming up with simply scales or the string scales. They're very, very good for a nice warm up. For the purpose of this video, let's go to Standard of Excellence. This is my band book. My beginning students play the red book, and then in my intermediate, they move up to the blue. So let's say you're in my beginning band class and you're assigned to practice from the red book. Now, it's totally fine to open up your book and get practicing. But say it's over the weekend and you're playing and playing and you're just not sure if it's right, if what you're doing is actually what it's supposed to be. You could wait until you see me in class and you could ask me. Or if you're at home over a weekend or a break, you can say you're practicing number 15. You can find number 15 in here the same way you would practice it by saying your notes D, 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 looking ahead past the rest. I'm switching my fingers to my next note C, 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 look ahead past the rest to my fingers to the next note B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, look ahead, C, 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 B flat. Once you've done those practicing steps and now you're like, okay, I need to know if what I'm doing is right. Well, first thing, listen to it. Press play. You can move your fingers while it goes. Tap your toe, that's the way to go. Switch your fingers while you're looking ahead. Now it's your turn to try playing. First thing you want to do is go to backing. Make sure that you are on metronome. If you're on follow me, you're going to have a hard time. It's going to sort of jump back and forth. But if you go to metronome, it will keep it super steady, and that's always what you want. Then you can record yourself and you can see what they say. Remember, this won't get submitted to me. Now I'm going to make a few mistakes, and we're going to see what the program says about them. So here I go. I'm going to have 2 bars, 2 measures for nothing. So it's just going to give me the click so I know my tempo. And after 2 rounds of 4, I'm going to come in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, ready, go. So I know for a fact that I made a few mistakes, and it tells me that I got a 76. So if I was giving this as an assignment and I said, okay, you're going to submit an 80 or better, you would need to do it again. You need to do retry before you submit it to me. But for the purpose of right now, just close it and see what you did wrong. You can run your mouse over what went on. So this just means that there was sort of a rhythm thing. I didn't hold each of these for one count. I was rushing them a little bit. So it says rhythm error short. My last note was the wrong note, E flat. I moved my finger when I shouldn't have. These are all the same note, D. I had a bunch of rests, so that's fine. My C's were okay, but I cut it off early. It's true, I didn't play that at all. I played wrong note B this entire time. And over here, I was going very flat. So I can use that, I can try it again, and I can try a new exercise. Good luck, have fun.